is a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 with 76,000 miles. Yes, 76,000 miles. Rust-free, in absolutely wonderful condition for its age. You'll be lucky to find a door ding in this thing. Very, very clean. Alloy wheels, moonroof, 4x4. Tires are in great shape. Like all of our vehicles, they get a 125-point pre-owned inspection. When you buy something from us, you will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically done to the vehicle. CD changer is right in that compartment right there. The vehicle is running. It's like a beige taupe metallic two-tone gray, dark gray bumper and trim. Moonroof. Interior is like new, two-tone, gray and beige. No rips, stains, wear marks. We have the original floor mats, automatic transmission with four-wheel drive, factory radio with CD changer in the back, 78,000 miles. Dual power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Of course, your moonroof. Just like I said, in incredible, incredible condition. So, this is a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, 78,000 miles, 4x4, in amazing condition, perfect cash car, needs nothing.